take some time. So let's do that now. So front plane sketch. Okay. The first thing I'll make, okay, 1100. Done. Exit. Control 7. I'll choose a null angle from sheet metal. Sorry, weldments. So here I don't want like this. I want it to be a somewhat inclined plane. So it is 45 degrees. Control 7. Sorry, Control 7. So okay, okay, 90 degrees. Okay, 135. So that's fine. 135. Control 7. Okay. So what I want to do here, sketch. Is here. Is here. So now exit. Control 7. Extrude. And I'm going to use 6 mm plate. Sorry, thickness, right? So 6 mm plate. And I'll make up to surface, or else up to next, up to surface. Okay. Okay, we can. Okay, we can split it. Okay, blind. One direction it would be passed like this. Okay, this is fine. And another direction we will provide a length like this way. So we'll see about it. We'll adjust them later. Wait. Okay. Okay. I'll okay. 100 enter. Okay, this one. Okay, let's sketch. And exit. Okay. Next propose. And select a condition up to next. Okay. Okay. Blind. Okay, it is okay. Fine. Now I have to do direct editing. Split. Set this surface and this surface. Make sure cut bodies. So we'll cut this and this. Consume bodies. That's it. So the next process will be, we have provided some length, right? 18. We'll have to make a slot here with a length of 18. So select this sketch. This length we can even adjust later part of this video also. Okay, that's no matter. Extrude cut up to surface. Select this. That's it. Okay. Okay, what I will do here, front plane sketch. Okay, I'll take one line. like this way. Okay, okay, this is only the best way to do it. Okay, I just want to select that vertex coincident. Okay, this is fine. I'll keep at least this 100. Okay, not 100. We will keep it 80 or even 60 also fine. And this length, I'll keep this length 120. Okay, this 150. Enough. Okay, 100 seems like. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, okay, 70. Okay, one more thing we can do here itself. I'll make one more line parallel and I'll make 280. I'll have to make 280. So which is not possible. What we have to do is skip as 320. I don't have to connect these two. Okay, now exit. Mid plane. This is okay. Okay, okay. This is not okay. Okay. Other length is 49.5. So double click 49.5 and update. That's fine. Okay, I can make a building here. So that's not an issue. But here is the issue. Split. Set this. Okay, I think I can make this split. Budget. Okay, and conversing. I'll even consume that also. Okay, I'll consume this. This. Okay, fine, right? So this distance. I should keep this 320. I'll have to keep this also 320. 160 on both sides. 160. Okay, 170. 170. Enter. And this is also 340 right? So update. Yeah, that seems like good enough. Okay, sketch. Use the slot option. 9 enter. 30 enter. Exit. Cut extrude. Right click and make sure of to surface. Select this. Okay. Project. So this won't work out like that. Make sure the condition of to next one. Select this. Cut extrude. Right click. Up to next. Yes. Okay. Sketch. 9 enter, exit. From next, this is only one. So these two features I want opposite direction also. What I can do is the plane is this. This body is to mirror. Select this body and this body. Body is came here. Delete. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Okay. So this incident. Okay. Okay. Let's see about what are the mistakes that we have done later. Let's say this, and this. Control 7. Okay. How much extra we have? 60 extra we have. We have to reduce that. It means 120 we have to reduce. Okay, now you can see these are merging with each other. So keep this distance 320 and then okay. Okay, I think this will suitable now. Okay, okay, you could not use this concentric command here. Okay, okay, let's create one point here and opposite direction. I'll go to the geometry point, sorry, central surface, fine. Okay, 1.1 here, points are not displaying, so what I can do, still these are matching with each other. Okay, okay, 151 I will keep. Use a mirror command and choose a mirror plane properly, and bodies to be trimmed, one body and second body. That's it. Save it, close it, and then select this point and this concentricity, and then why it is width. Okay, delete it. Not issue. Okay, we can recreate again. We select this point and this concentricity again. Okay, so this. Okay, you can hide all these points now. Okay, okay, okay. What we can do here? select this hole and this face and this face width. Now frame is also got locked. Okay, but the length is not enough. What we can do here, 155 enter, 155 enter, update it. Now the length is good, but it won't stay for long time, so we'll make it a little more. 160, right? Update it. Yeah, now you can see resetting